Most scraping tools break when layouts change, but Minexa binds extraction to the DOM structure, so you get stable, accurate results when scraping job listings. Open the Instahyre page with your job listings. Minexa builds everything automatically from this starting point. Open the Minexa extension. It begins reading the page instantly, so you can start extracting data right away. Press the violet button. I'm on the right page, so Minexa can analyze the page and detect the job listings automatically. All pages are covered. Minexa identifies navigation and handles pagination automatically on every run. Select the results list only, or choose to include each job's detail page for deeper extraction. Click Continue when all content is fully loaded. Advanced mode handles pages that change after user actions. Confirm and proceed. Minexa has highlighted the container holding all job listings for extraction. Every detected field is visible. Select from the list or click on job title, company, location, or salary to extract exactly what you need. Click API Request to get code returning only the columns you want. Pick specific fields, or use Minexa's smart defaults. One more step. Click Complete Configuration to finalize your scraper setup quickly and easily. All pages are part of this scraper now. Minexa has detected next page navigation and will scrape all results automatically. Your scraping job is all set. Set a frequency if you want it to run automatically, then confirm to save your setup. Click Run. Every job produces clean, structured data, ready for analytics or ETL systems without extra work. Every column stays within the right section. Job titles, companies, locations, and salaries are cleanly extracted. Ads or unrelated content never pollute your dataset, ensuring perfect accuracy and usability. Export the output. Nested data stays structured in JSON and expands neatly into columns in Excel for easy analysis. Get started with Minexa and build scrapers that run reliably across millions of pages with consistent, predictable outputs every time.